Dear friends, today we are going to discuss the post-gate counseling. After gate, what are the options available? And based on gate score, which college you can get? What is expected cutoff of the public sectors? And how many public sectors are expected from this year gate score? And among the colleges, which college is better? Which IIT is better? And when it comes to the stream selection, if you want to do MTech, which stream is better? All these questions we would like to answer through the discussion and with the data. We have done lot of the efforts to get the cutoff from IITs, public sectors, and these are obtained through the RTI. Round the year our team has been filing, and then we have compiled, and there will be discussion today. I am B Singh and with me is DK अरोड़ा जी. तो हम दोनों लोग डिस्कस करेंगे and we will also talk about कि how to prepare for public sectors, GD, PI, which PSUs ask what type of the areas, questions or expected areas to be prepared, and basic focus will be on the cutoffs to know about the expected line of cutoff कि हाँ इतना तो है आपका स्कोर तो इसमें आ सकता है. आई विल ऑल्सो सजेस्ट यू टू कीप पेशेंस क्योंकि जो आपके मन में सवाल होंगे मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस वी विल डिस्कस, बट अगर रह जाएंगे तो बाद में आपके क्वेरीज लेंगे एंड वी विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू इन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर योर इंटरव्यूज थ्रू द ग्रुप डिस्कशन और ग्रुप टास्क, वट एवर इज रिक्वायरमेंट वी विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू. सो वी विल स्टार्ट डिस्कशन दोस्तों. Just let us have a look on our last cutoff and the toppers marks. Cutoff and the toppers marks. So GATE 2024, this is first rank, and this year marks are 84.67. But last year marks were 90.67, and in 2022 it was 90.05. It depends on the difficulty level. So this year maybe as compared to last year there is a bit difference. One thing which we have noticed in mechanical engineering, in the first 200 rank, the marks and rank this year and last year are little different. Yes. But after rank 200, almost at same marks. It was same rank last year and same rank this year, plus minus 5 or 10. So last year data will definitely help you in gauging your performance and gauging your chance in selection. तो इस चीज को हम आगे चलते हैं. In production engineering, this year rank 1 obtained 84 marks and last year rank 1 obtained 87 marks. Before that it was 95 marks. So these are the toppers marks. Let us have a look on the cutoff. तो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में इस साल का कटऑफ है 25.7 जनरल का, लास्ट ईयर था 28.4. ओबीसी एंड इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शन 23.1, लास्ट ईयर इट वाज 25.5. SC ST it was 17.1, last year it was 18.9. When we see the production and industrial engineering branch, cutoff has come down. Last year it was 44, this year it is 30. In OBC it is 27, last year it was 39. And SC ST this year is 20, last year was 29.4. तो फर्क तो पड़ा है, cutoff PI में कम आया, maybe because of difficulty level or number of students appearing less. Now let us talk about the जनरल आइडिया. आपको इससे हेल्प मिलेगी कि कितने मार्क्स में कितनी रैंक आती है, कितना स्कोर आता है, तो उससे थोड़ा आपको हेल्प मिलेगी. तो फर्स्ट रैंक ऑफ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग गॉट 84 मार्क्स, राइट. फर्स्ट रैंक गॉट 84 मार्क्स. 16th रैंकर गॉट 76 मार्क्स and 50th ranker got 70.67 marks. 100 ranker, this is 67.33, and 200 rank 64 marks. and then 500 rank, that is 482, it is around 59.33. Then at 1000 rank it was 53 marks, and at 2000 rank near around 46 marks. I hope you got an idea कि 2000 रैंक में 46.33 मार्क्स थे इस बार. 1000 रैंक के आसपास इट वाज 53.33. तो ये जनरल आपके आइडिया के लिए है, जस्ट फॉर ए रेफरेंस. अब आप यहां पर देखिए 2000 रैंक का मतलब है स्कोर 567. ये भी आप थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है क्योंकि स्कोर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कई जगह स्कोर कट ऑफ में होगा, कई जगह रैंक कट ऑफ में होगी, कई जगह मार्क्स कट ऑफ में होंगे. तो तीनों चीजों को ध्यान
all three are equally important. All three are equally important.
आपको ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि एमटेक में जब आप अप्लाई करेंगे तो गेट 2022, 23 एंड 24 तीनों गेट स्कोर कार्ड वैलिड है. अगर आपने पहले भी गेट का एग्जाम लिखा है, इफ यू हैव अपीयर्ड अर्लियर ऑल्सो, देन विच एवर हैज द मैक्सिमम गेट स्कोर उसको यूज करिए. गेट स्कोर पे जाइए, मार्क्स पे नहीं, क्योंकि मार्क्स हर बार वेरी करते हैं. पेपर आसान आ गया, टफ आ गया, सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन स्कोर. राइट. दूसरा, पब्लिक सेक्टर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से पीएसयूज के नोटिफिकेशन को ध्यान से पढ़ना है. दे विल स्पेसिफाई कि वेदर दे विल एक्सेप्ट only 2024 score card or there will be a chance of the other score cards, previous cards also. तो वो आपको ध्यान से पढ़ना है. नेक्स्ट इज पीआई में अगर देखें सेम डेटा, रैंक 1 इट वाज 84 मार्क्स, बट रैंक 2 में काफी डिफरेंस आ गया. फिर रैंक 10 इट वाज 66.33, रैंक 100 के आसपास इट इज रफली अबाउट, रैंक 100 में 50 मार्क्स आ गया. एंड एट रैंक 465 इट इज 33 मार्क्स. तो पीआई में कैंडिडेट्स काफी कम बैठते हैं.
Yes, sir.
तो जैसे जैसे नीचे आते हैं और स्कोर भी ड्रास्टिकली कम आया.
Sir, here I want to add one thing. If we compare the marks with the marks of 2023, the topper's marks were 87.33 in PI, and for rank 10, it was 82.33
last year.
That means instead of 66, which is this year, last year it was 82.3.
पीआई का पेपर
थोड़ा टफ था. Yes, that's it.
लेकिन आपको ये ध्यान देना, आप देखिए वहां 2000 रैंक में मैकेनिकल में 557 गेट स्कोर था.
Yes,
और
yes.
यहाँ 465 में 384. यहाँ पर 500 स्कोर है, अंडर 200 रैंक.
Yes.
तो रैंक इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट इन दिस केस, स्कोर इज इम्पॉर्टेंट.
Score is important.
इसलिए गेट में स्कोर की वैलिडिटी इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि स्कोर अधिक होना जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
Now please have a look on the opportunities through the gate. What next? After gate, what are the options? So the most important option which everybody is looking for, that is PSUs, public sectors and certain government sectors like DRDO. They are the options from the gate. तो एक तो gate की सबसे पहली priority ये है. Second is higher studies. This higher studies in India, it includes MTech, and then it includes MTech research, and it includes dual degree course which is MTech plus PhD. तो हायर स्टडीज इन इंडिया, IITs, ISC, NITs, यहां से. तो ये आपका फर्स्ट था, ये सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया है. थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया इज रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड जॉब्स. देयर आर रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड कोर्सेज ऑल्सो but research oriented jobs. There are jobs which are research oriented. आप देखते हैं न्यूक्लियर पावर कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड या स्पेशली बार्क रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड जॉब है. CSIR के जो कोर्सेस हैं, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग ड्यूअल डिग्री कोर्सेस यू कैन गो इन साइंटिस्ट पोजीशन इन नेशनल लेबोरेटरीज, तो वो भी रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड जॉब्स हैं. देन रिसर्च कोर्सेस आर अवेलेबल इन IITs, ISC. इसमें इंटीग्रेटेड कोर्सेस हैं MTech और PhD के, तो ये कोर्सेस हैं. फिर इंडिया के बाहर भी आप गेट स्कोर को यूज कर सकते हैं हायर स्टडीज फ्रॉम फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज। अब यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शन तो नहीं है, बट वन इज सिंगापुर एंड अदर इज जर्मनी। और सिंगापुर में NUS है, NTU है, नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी सिंगापुर, नैनजिंग टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी सिंगापुर, RWTH जर्मनी। दीज यूनिवर्सिटीज रिकॉग्नाइज गेट स्कोर। जब मैं कहता हूं रिकॉग्नाइज, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि गेट स्कोर इज कंसीडर्ड, जैसे सेट स्कोर होता है ना आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन, आफ्टर 12th के बाद, तो गेट स्कोर हो गया, तो रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं। बट आपको स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पज SOP लिखना है, LOR लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन चाहिए, और बाकी की भी फॉर्मेलिटी हो सकता है, इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट भी जरूरत पड़े, तो बाकी चीजें भी चाहिए। बट गेट स्कोर बिकम्स द रिकॉग्नाइज्ड, तो यहां से गेट स्कोर को यूज कर सकते हैं। एंड IISc Bangalore has offered the management course also on the basis of gate score.
Yes.
तो एक आपके पास ऑप्शन ये है। सो इन जनरल 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, these are 6। लेकिन अगर आप 6 में से देखेंगे तो सबसे फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, these are the most important priorities of the students। या तो पब्लिक सेक्टर में जॉब मिल जाए, लेकिन अगर PSU में नहीं मिला तो अच्छे कॉलेज से MTech हो जाए या MS हो जाए या फिर MTech प्लस PhD हो जाए। दैट इज द प्रायोरिटी। However, the other options, 2nd, 3rd, 4th are also, 3rd, 4th and 5th are also open. 6th is also open. अभी आप अपने रैंक के बेसिस पर कौन सा मिलेगा, क्या मिलेगा, थोड़ा सा आप उसके लिए इंतजार करिए। आपको यहाँ से कट ऑफ दिखाई दे जाएंगे एंड यू विल बी एबल टू गेज योर चांसेस ऑफ सिलेक्शन। यू विल बी एबल टू गेज योर चांसेस ऑफ सिलेक्शन। तो पहले हम पब्लिक सेक्टर्स की ही बात कर लेंगे, बिकॉज दिस इज वन एरिया विच मोस्ट ऑफ यू वुड बी इंटरेस्टेड टू नो कि कौन कौन से PSUs मिलेंगे और किस PSU में कौन से कितने कट ऑफ होते हैं, क्या चांसेस ऑफ सिलेक्शन है। तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट विच आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इट अप। सो 2024 में जो PSUs रिक्रूट करने वाले हैं उनमें से कुछ ने तो नोटिफिकेशन कर दिया है, बट येट देयर आर सर्टेन PSUs विच विल नोटिफाई। तो कुछ ऑलरेडी नोटिफिकेशन कर चुके हैं, कुछ अभी करेंगे, कुछ ने बता दिया है कि हम PSUs के थ्रू करेंगे। सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कैन डिस्कस। सो PSUs विच हैव प्लान्ड टू रिक्रूट थ्रू द गेट 2024 येट ऑलरेडी, तो एक तो बार्क, आपको जानते ही हैं, बार्क टेक्स द सेपरेट एग्जाम ऑल्सो, बार्क गिव्स द अपॉर्चुनिटी थ्रू द गेट ऑल्सो। ONGC, SPCL, IOCL, PSPCL, NTPCL, NALCO, SAIL, Coal India Limited, Nuclear Power Corporation, DRDO, NHPC, Bureau of Indian Standards, KIOCL, PGCIL, NMDC, EIL, HURL. These are the opportunities which are expected from the GATE 2024. अरोड़ा जी,
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पर आपको थोड़ा एक ये बात शेयर करनी है स्टूडेंट से कि इनमें से मैकेनिकल के लिए कोर कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं, मैकेनिकल एंड पावर ग्रिड PI वालों के लिए कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं, मैकेनिकल के लिए कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं।
See, when we talk about core organization from mechanical engineering perspective, I think I would really like to start with BARC. Totally research oriented job and really a good work environment. Right?
I'll keep on writing mechanical.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Then second, even SAIL for that matter is core for mechanical engineers.
Right. ONGC भी है.
ONGC भी है. ONGC has almost 6 different job profiles.
Right.
For which they are recruiting.
Right. NTPC हो गया.
NTPC is again core mechanical, primarily for thermal power sector, and now they are also in renewable energy.
DMRC हो गया.
DRDO for research.
Right.
NPCIL again
Yes.
power plant, but O&M, operations and maintenance related job. NMDC again related to mechanical engineering.
Right.
Right. Then EIL can be a good opportunity for some of the options.
Okay.
Not the entire range, but some
Okay,
options.
I'll
It is
put the
restricted.
star mark.
It would be restricted.
Right. NHPC
again
Okay.
core mechanical.
Right. IOCL.
Right. IOCL is a very dicey game. IOCL is really dangerous because at times you can get into marketing.
But it is a good job.
But in terms of opportunities, in terms of compensation, I think there is nothing to beat IOCL and ONGC.
BIS is completely government.
BIS is completely government and
Yes, government.
again core mechanical.
DRDO is completely government.
Fully.
Fully government.
Then HPCL is not recruiting through GATE, but they are conducting their own exam. But
Separate.
it's offering postings. A lot of postings in refineries are opening because
Right.
they are on to expansion spree.
Right.
Right. PGCL is very less opportunities for mechanical. So we can
But
practically
this was
ignore it.
one. Now if
Yes.
we can talk about which of them are good in terms of pay scale, salary, promotion, although may not be good in such field, but they are good.
Right. So
Yeah.
when we look at the salaries,
Yeah.
when we look at the compensation package,
Yeah.
I think the top honors would be taken by ONGC
ONGC.
and IOCL.
So
These
which
are
I
the
have
two
circled are
unquestionable
good pay
top.
master.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And these are oil
And
companies.
also for that matter NHPC because they are
So this
also
is power
recruiting at the
sector.
same level. Yes, sir.
DRDO is equally good.
DRDO is equally good, but of course there is a difference in the
Right.
compensation, but it's a great place to work.
And
no
power
doubt.
grid.
Power grid, no sir. Power
No.
grid mechanical
They are not
opportunities
that
are
good.
almost zero, sir. Once
No.
in a while only, if at all, no. Otherwise, very
Okay.
seldom. Now, when we look at
And BARC.
BARC, of course, BRC and DRDO would rank at par.
Right.
When we look at organization like NTPC, even though it is ideal for mechanical engineers, but they
Location.
are recruiting for their power plants with a condition that for the first 10 years, don't even make a request for posting to the NCR region. This is an undertaking which they take from all new recruits. And you are likely to get posted to one of the project sites that they are having. Plus, they have started recruiting at a level which is below the level of IOCL and ONGC. Right? SAIL again is a good place to work, but in terms of compensation, it would be relatively less in comparison to ONGC and IOCL.
Right.
Right?
So this is just an idea.
Yes.
And now let us also talk which PSUs require the GDPI and which require
Yes.
only the interview. Right. So where the GD is required and where the interview is required.
Right. So
Just a
if we
minute.
start, in fact, we can start sequentially itself.
Right.
BARC is hardcore technical interview. 100% weightage on
Technical
technical interview.
And only interview.
Only
right.
interview,
Technical PI interview.
Correct.
Right.
ONGC is again interview only,
Yeah.
but with a minimum cutoff requirement of 60% in the interview.
Interview is important.
Yes.
Right. Interview. In some PSUs there will be 70 to 80% weightage of gate score
Gate
and 30%, 20 to 30% weightage of the interview. But BARC will say complete
100%,
weightage of the
100%,
interview. DRDO
yes.
complete weightage of interview.
Exactly.
Because they are
Even
research,
NPCL.
nuclear.
Even NPCL
They're all
also is
research
100%
oriented organization. So
interview.
they definitely want complete interview hold.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is interview. Right.
HPCL, even though it is not through GATE, but it may be a good idea for you to know about it. They are conducting a case study
Yeah.
and they are conducting a group task and interview.
Right. So this is GT,
GT and PI.
GT and PI.
Yes. And GT here is elimination round.
Right. Okay.
IOCL conducts 3 processes. One is group task, one
Group
is
task.
group discussion,
Group discussion.
and third is PI. And they are not elimination round.
Gate plus this.
GATE plus these 3 processes, right?
Right.
In SAIL, they are conducting case study
Yeah. This
plus
is case
group
study.
task.
Case study.
Case study plus group task or
And
case
group
study
task.
plus group discussion and followed by the interview. Again, not elimination.
Right. NALCO.
NALCO is GD plus interview.
GD plus
interview. NTPC, there is neither GD nor interview.
Right. So direct.
Direct. Yes.
This is direct admission
Correct.
on the basis of gate score.
Direct selection on the basis
अगर
of GATE
आपका
score.
rank अच्छा है, you can directly get admission. No
No interview process.
interview
No interview.
process.
Yes.
पहले तो ये कराते थे.
पहले
GT
करवाते
भी
थे,
लेते
but
थे,
they were recruiting at E2. Now they have started recruiting at E1.
E1.
That's
E1
the
level
reason.
था.
Yes, that's a reason.
Right.
Right. PSPCL again is interview only.
Interview. PI.
Yes.
Right.
CIL is interview only.
PI.
Yes. NPCL, we have already said it's a hardcore technical interview.
Technical
NPCL
interview.
as well as DRDO, both are
Technical
interview.
personal interview.
Yes.
Very hard technical.
And DRDO again is the same case.
Technical PI.
Yes.
Yeah.
NHPC has started conducting interviews now.
हाँ,
Earlier
उल्टा
they
हो
were
गया।
giving direct
NTPC वाले
appointment.
पहले नहीं कराते थे।
Yes, sir.
कराते थे, अब नहीं करा रहे।
But NHPC
NHPC
continues to recruit at a higher level, and now they are conducting interview. Earlier they were recruiting at higher level, but they were not conducting interview.
Interview.
Yes, sir.
NMDC.
NMDC is GD plus interview.
GD plus interview.
Yes. PGCL, though it's not applicable, but it is GD plus interview.
GD plus PI.
Yes. KIOCL, which is Kudremukh Iron Ore Company, that again is GD plus interview. BIS is only interview, and it's a technical
This is
interview.
PI.
Yes.
This is again technical.
Technical.
इसकी लोकेशन भी
Delhi plus
मिल जाती है,
metros.
yeah,
Delhi
metro.
plus metros.
Engineer
EL is
से
again is interview only, even though at times they specify GD,
PI.
but they don't
ज़्यादा
conduct.
technical ही पूछा
Zyada
जाता।
technical. Yes, sir.
Right.
And HURL, which is Hindustan Urvarak, they conducting interview.
Right. PI.
Yes, sir.
दोस्तों एक चीज यहाँ ध्यान रखना कि जो पब्लिक सेक्टर्स के इंटरव्यू होते हैं और जो आईआईटी के इंटरव्यू होंगे उनमें थोड़ा सा अंतर है। इन पब्लिक सेक्टर्स यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर बेसिक प्रोफाइल. इट इंक्लूड्स योर हॉबीज, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज, योर इंटरेस्ट, योर डिग्री प्रोजेक्ट एंड अदर देन दैट टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स. और कुछ पीएसयूज में ज़्यादा टेक्निकल होता है, जैसे अगर हम बार्क, इसरो, डीआरडीओ, एनपीसीआईएल की बात करेंगे, दे आर मोर एंड मोर टेक्निकल. डिग्री प्रोजेक्ट इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड आईआईटीज में जब आप जाओगे तो फिर हॉबीज, इंटरेस्ट की जरूरत नहीं है. दे विल आस्क मोस्टली टेक्निकल एंड योर डिग्री प्रोजेक्ट एंड द एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट की, किस में आप ना एमटेक करना चाहते हो, किस ब्रांच में एमटेक करना चाहते हो, उससे रिलेटेड. तो ये दोनों में ध्यान रखना है. Arora ji, how can we help to the students in preparing the interview and NTP, this GDPI?
See, we will be conducting interview guidance sessions for the various PSUs. Of course, there is one common part which will be equally valid for all the PSUs, but then there will be specific organization related part where we will highlight the areas that you must prepare. And for organizations like BARC and DRDO and NPCL, we'll also have the option of joining our paid program where they can go through the technical lectures and also go for a mock interview.
Medi ji will provide you the support for the interview preparation. We will conduct group discussion, group task, whatever required, and the PI. And in addition to that, those who would like to attend the classes, lectures of the technical portion, we will be giving the recorded sessions of
Yes,
the
sir. Yes, sir.
technical.
Yes, sir.
So this was the. Now let us to have a look on the cutoff.
Yeah.
कि last year cutoff कितना था, right? So last year one student is asking what about XE, engineering science. Then engineering science is not open for public sectors mostly.
No,
it is
XE is not applicable for PSUs.
PSU, so
It's only for MTech admissions.
XE is good for the
MTech admissions.
MTech admissions, right? Now in BARC last year, if you see the 23, 22, 21, 715, before that 779, and before that 830. It has come down.
Yes, sir.
Why came down? Two reasons. One is very clear, there can be more vacancies. But the second, which is also fact, number of applications or the number of candidates appearing in the mechanical have reduced over the period of time.
Yes.
अगर नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कम अपियर होते हैं गेट में तो स्कोर उसी रैंक पर स्कोर कम आएगा. लेट अस से कि रैंक इज 500 in 2021 and rank is 500 in 2024. If number of students in 2024 are less who appeared in gate, then at same rank score of 2024 will be less than that of the 2021. क्योंकि ये फॉर्मूला के अकॉर्डिंग हो जाता है.
In 23, for example, with a score of 715, the rank was approximately 425.
Yeah.
This is just a ballpark figure. It's not an exact number. It's a ballpark number I am giving. Approximately AIR 425 was shortlisted for interview. Not selected, but shortlisted for interview.
मतलब कि 400 रैंक तक शॉर्टलिस्ट हुए.
Exactly.
हाँ, इसके बाद तो इंटरव्यू आपका सब कुछ है. but
Yes,
they,
sir.
they were called for the interview. They were called for the interview.
Sir, another very interesting thing is in 2022 BARC had finally selected 35 candidates.
यहाँ पर 35 select हुए थे.
और
Mechanical
2021 में they had selected 50 candidates.
50.
Despite 50 candidates getting selected in 2021, the cutoff was way too high.
हाँ, nearly how many
The
times?
multiplier
12
varies, sir. It varies from, I mean, I have got the data which varies from multiplier of 14 to 20. That's the kind of variation that I have seen.
15 to 20 times
Yes,
they
sir.
call.
15 to 20 times is the number
And
of
very
candidates that they call.
rigorous, in-depth technical interview.
In-depth technical. I mean, 45 minutes is the warm-up time.
Right. 45-minute का interview.
45 minutes to 1.5 hours.
To-
45 minutes is like,
Yeah.
you know, they're just warming up.
Now let us see the cutoff of the PSU, other PSUs.
Yes, sir.
IOCL marks. These are marks.
These are marks.
64 marks.
Yes.
ये last year के हैं. This year it may vary little bit.
Depending on the
variation can vary.
vacancies, sir. Depending on
OBC
vacancies, it can vary.
61.82 SC, 52.72 ST, and there was no cutoff available. For rights, we could not get data. MRPL, we could not get data. DVC,
Damodar Valley
that-
Corporation
Damodar
is
Valley
recruiting
Corporation,
regularly these days.
60.67,
Yes, sir.
55.67, 45, and 36.67. These are
Yes,
the
sir.
cutoffs.
Yes, sir. So roughly, if you look at the cutoff marks of IOCL, last year 64.4 was approximately with a rank of around 210.
Approximately 200.
210, 220, around that, right?
Approximately.
And OBC could be in the range of around 350.
350.
Yes.
So general around 200 rank तक IOCL में call
Right,
आ गया.
sir. Right,
Yeah, general. You may
It may
expect
vary.
around 250, 200
Yes.
इस rank में,
Yes.
depending on the vacancies.
Correct, sir.
Right. And then EIL.
Surprisingly, for construction in
EIL in
for
construction
mechanical, it's
normally
very
it
low.
is just civil engineering
Yes.
field.
So that's why
So they called it, but
they
that
called,
was-
but final
this
selection is not.
This is just a cutoff.
Yes.
This is same as cutoff.
Shortlisting for
Shortlisting
interview.
Cutoff.
For interview. Yes.
This has no much significance.
Yes,
For
sir.
the others, cutoff was more.
Yes.
Right, this has no much significance. Then NTPC, and here
They are giving rank.
they are giving rank, right? This is rank here. Don't get confused with the score. This is rank. And up to 400 rank. I see in mechanical getting up to 421 rank, and that to direct selection, no interview.
Yes.
बाकी ब्रांच में ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. सिविल में तो टॉप 200 में क्लोज हो जा रहा है.
Bilkul.
मैकेनिकल में up to 421.
And sir,
Economically
this
weaker
rank
side.
is likely to go down further because it's only the first list so
Yeah.
far.
Yeah.
They still have to come
I
out with
remember before
subsequent
this
lists.
2022.
2020.
The selection was up to 2000, 1800 rank,
1800,
because
yes.
many students didn't apply initially.
They did not even, they didn't apply, and lot of them did not join.
Yeah, so please don't take this risk. Please do apply, even your rank is 500, 600.
Yes.
Because
For
you never know
NTPC
number
it
of
is worth.
vacancies can
Yes, sir.
increase. How
Yes, sir.
many? And direct admission happening in EWS up to 1000, in SC up to 2500, and OBC up to 862, ST, and C in PH category. I think the last candidate also got selected who qualified the. तो देखो अब वैसी सिचुएशन नहीं है जैसे लोग बोलते हैं. जॉब मिलते हैं अब 800 रैंक तक, 1000 रैंक तक अगर सिलेक्शन हो रहे हैं, 2500 रैंक तक सिलेक्शन हो रहे हैं
Yes.
एनटीपीसी में, तो जॉब तो है. Now let us see the
This
ONGC,
is for 22.
and this is for 2022 because the data of 2023 is not this, that is 2022 data. Now here we have one is ONGC mechanical, ONGC production, and ONGC
MM.
material management,
There are some more also.
and there are some
Yeah,
more.
that's on the next
The second
sir.
slide will show.
Yes, sir.
For this is mechanical drilling, mechanical
Cementation.
cementation, and other
transport
transport
of
and
steel.
others. So we will discuss one by one, right? So mechanical, actually mechanical,
Yeah.
AEE mechanical.
This is the best
67.
profile actually for mechanical engineers.
Production is equally going
Production is demanding.
high. And material management is the highest one. So
It's the best
this is
job.
most demand. This is second demand. This is third demand here.
Yes.
Right. Please see here. marks. This is what? Marks. But please note, this was 2022.
This was 22.
Marks were high.
Yes.
Toppers marks
Yes.
in that year?
So much higher.
हाँ.
So much higher.
So much
Yes,
high.
Yes.
2022 पेपर में मैकेनिकल का स्कोर ज्यादा था, इस
बिल्कुल.
बार उतना नहीं है, तो ये कम आएगा. So don't be worried.
22 में it was 90. This year it is at least
नहीं, इस बार का पेपर
6% less. हाँ, इस बार 84 है. 84.6.
there that is topper, but you
Yes.
see the others.
But otherwise also it's
हाँ,
falling.
क्योंकि सेकंड रैंक के मार्क्स
Yes.
तो काफी कम है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो दोस्तों इसमें ध्यान रखिए, दिस विल कम डाउन, दिस विल कम डाउन, मतलब इतना नहीं जाएगा कट ऑफ अब, तो इट विल कम डाउन, राइट, बिकॉज दिस वाज इजी पेपर, नाउ दिस ईयर इज टफर पेपर, राइट. सो दिस वाज 2022 एंड दीज मार्क्स. तो आइडिया लग गया आपको, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर आइडिया. 2022 अब क्योंकि इस बार का पेपर आसान था तो फिर वो उसका फर्क पड़ जाएगा. अब हम बात करते हैं और आगे चलते हैं जो दूसरी ब्रांचेज हैं. ड्रिलिंग में थोड़ा कम गया, ड्रिलिंग ऑफशोर
Less
है,
preferred
जो
offshore,
onshore है.
primarily offshore.
This is onshore,
Onshore.
this is onshore.
Onshore and offshore
थोड़ा
both.
लोग अवॉइड करते हैं, बट ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड अदर्स दीज आर द ऑफशोर.
Yes. Here they are giving more preferences for the PH category candidates.
Right. Now nuclear power corporation, this is again
This
marks.
is the interview percentage. This
Right.
is the interview marks.
This is call for the interview.
Yes, sir. Interview marks, final interview marks.
Yeah, final
Yes.
cut off, final cut off.
Yes.
So this is final cut off.
Because they are not providing us the gate marks or anything. This is the final interview marks only.
Right. Now this is
Odisha Hydropower.
Odisha hydropower, unreserved. They shortlisted
Male and
at
female separate
male
cutoffs.
candidate separate and female separate. They must have reserved the
Yes,
seats.
sir. Yes, sir.
Right. The data is not available for the other.
They've just
So
recruited
this was
into
for the
category.
public sectors information which was available to us. You got the information. Students के PSU related कोई doubts हैं एक बार देख लें, फिर हम MTech पर
Yes,
चलेंगे. 2021 pass out can't apply for EIL.
No. No.
No.
They specify the gate year for which they are
No, he is asking
seeking.
pass out in 2021.
Pass out in 2021 again, you know,
Gate
PSU
score
specify.
of 2024 is required.
Yes.
Right.
Gate score of
And your age
2024
should
plus
be
age criteria.
Age should be within the limit.
Age criteria also.
Yeah.
And EIL typically permits that only pass outs of 24 and 23 or 24, 23 and 22 are eligible. to
Rajat
apply.
Katiyar is asking ki please share the PDF of this presentation.
We will be.
Don't worry, to all of you,
Day after tomorrow most probably.
within next 2-3 days,
Yes, it will get posted.
all the cutoffs will be uploaded in the same channel in next Made Prime app, and definitely that will be given to all of you. Don't worry. Then there are sir, would ONGC be recruiting this year also?
Possibly yes. They are normally late in the announcement,
हाँ.
but they are likely to be recruiting this
और
year.
ONGC regularly recruit कर रहा है.
ONGC has not missed. In fact, 1 year they missed because of COVID conditions, and next year they came out with 2 advertisements and they recruited a much larger number.
There is a candidate Sanchit Kumar. Do I have a chance in ONGC at 1112 rank? Yes, I believe.
Mechanical, yes,
You have.
yes.
Yes.
Past trend says yes.
Yeah. And then Mahesh says, hello sir, my gate journey is like that. My category is SC branch and he has got 2024 1000 rank. I think in 1000 rank in SC category you can get it.
Call should be
You-
possible.
you should
You
get some
should get an
public sector
interview call.
opportunity.
Yes,
Don't
you should
worry.
get an interview call.
Right, at least NTPC में तो expect कर सकते हैं.
जी.
510 rank OBC chance of PSU? Chance
Interview calls, yes.
NTPC में तो आया
Interview
था
calls,
last time, और भी हो
NTPC में तो
सकते हैं.
possibility of
Hope
final
रखो भाइयों,
selection.
hope रखो.
Sale or IOCL में interview call is definitely expected because they do recruit a fair number.
हाँ, right. Kastab Krishna Lokre, XC admission in MTech. For MTech we are coming it. Don't worry. Wait. As of now, only PSU related data we have shown. And what do prepare and not? Tanishq Singh. What to prepare and what not for the public sectors?
We'll cover it during the sessions. Don't
Right.
worry.
So
Yes.
first of all, dear friends, public sector interviews are all about the technical, so please do revise your technicals.
Yes.
Prepare your good profile, some important things about your hobbies, interest, extracurricular activities. If there will be GD or GT, please keep on reading newspapers and elections
We'll
and
probably
everything.
conduct a session through this forum itself for
Yeah,
all
but
the
many
registered.
students they are very in hurry. I want to start today itself.
Next week itself, we will conduct one, sir.
Right.
There is no problem.
So we will conduct a separate session, and based on your marks and based on your expected call, ADG will give you an opportunity. Right. We will conduct. और बहुत सारे हैं. NTPC का सेकेंड लिस्ट कब तक आएगा? डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया? इतना आइडिया होता ना तब तो फिर ना काफ़ी बच्चे पहले से अपने जॉब को एश्योरेंस करके बैठ जाते. राइट. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट दी public MTech admissions, right? We'll talk about the MTech admissions. तो MTech स्टार्ट करते हैं कि पहले तो कि MTech कॉलेजेस कौन से अच्छे हैं, फिर कॉलेजेस के साथ साथ कौन से ब्रांच से MTech करना चाहिए, MTech की वो स्ट्रीम्स कौन सी बेटर हैं. तो पहले आप स्पेशलाइजेशन देखते हैं, फिर कॉलेजेस की बात कर लेंगे, फिर कट ऑफ की बात कर लेंगे.
Yes, sir.
राइट. तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, मैकेनिकल में सबसे अच्छी ब्रांच मानी जाती है मशीन डिजाइन, जिसको आप डिजाइन ऑफ मैकेनिकल इक्विपमेंट भी कहते हैं.
जी.
तो द बेस्ट ब्रांच विच इज कंसीडर्ड इज दिस डिजाइन ऑफ मैकेनिकल इक्विपमेंट विच वी कॉल एज मशीन डिजाइन, और ज़्यादातर लोग इसी ब्रांच को प्रेफर करते हैं. थर्मल एंड पावर या फिर थर्मल एंड फ्लूइड, कहीं कहीं पर थर्मल फ्लूइड के साथ में है, कहीं कहीं पर थर्मल हीट एंड पावर के साथ में है. तो ये सेकंड हो गया. प्रोडक्शन या मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंजीनियरिंग, दैट इज योर थर्ड. इंडस्ट्रियल इज द फोर्थ, एंड कहीं कहीं पर इंडस्ट्रियल मैनेजमेंट है, दैट इज 5. मटेरियल साइंस मैनेजमेंट है 6. मेटलर्जी 7. तो ये तो कोर ब्रांचेज हैं. बट मैकेनिकल स्टूडेंट्स कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई इन नॉन कोर ब्रांचेस, जिसमें एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिकल के काफी क्लोज है. कुछ IIT मद्रास में है, ISC में है, कई जगह है, IIT कानपुर में है, बॉम्बे में है. तो एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग बहुत अच्छी ब्रांच है. कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस में भी बहुत लोग जाते हैं, एनर्जी स्टडीज में जाते हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल टाइपोलॉजी में जाते हैं. अगर आपको सिर्फ IIT से ही करना है और IIT दिल्ली में ही करना है, तो यहाँ पर भी कुछ ऐसी ब्रांचेज हैं जो नॉन मैकेनिकल हैं, जिनमें कम कट ऑफ रहता है और उनसे किया जा सकता है. और MTech के अलावा एक होता है MS रिसर्च. MTech तो 2 ईयर कोर्स है, और MS रिसर्च वो 2.5 to 3 ईयर कोर्स है. तो वहां पर आप कर सकते हैं, उनका कट ऑफ कम जाता है. अगर आपका यही एक सपना है कि आई वांट टू डू माय MTech और MS कोर्स फ्रॉम IIT, देन देयर आर मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस. IIT का टैग मिल सकता है, बट दोस्तों, इट्स नॉट द ओनली कॉलेज विच मैटर्स. यू हैव टू consider your branch. So this branch is equally important, and combination of the college
institute
and
branch. Yes.
Right. Further, अब हम आगे चलते हैं कि ISC बेंगलोर का कट ऑफ कितना था, क्योंकि अगर हम कॉलेजेस की बात कर ले, ये तो हो गया. This we have removed the list of colleges.
No, we'll have it later.
Okay.
It's coming after this. ISC के बाद फिर we'll have
Now
the
we will
IITs.
talk about the ISC Bangalore.
ISC is unique.
यूनिक तो है ही. अब
That's why it's being separately highlighted.
So ISC Bangalore में, dear friends, there are 3 type of courses गेट के थ्रू. जैसे अगर देखें आप, तो one is MTech, which is डायरेक्ट एडमिशन. MTech में डायरेक्ट एडमिशन मिल जाता है गेट के स्कोर से, विदाउट एनी इंटरव्यू. सो 100% इज द वेटेज ऑफ गेट स्कोर. ये है MTech. सेकेंड है 70% गेट स्कोर एंड 30% इंटरव्यू. रिटर्न कभी कभी होता है, कभी नहीं होता है. यह है MTech रिसर्च. दूसरा है MTech रिसर्च, और तीसरा है ड्यूअल डिग्री MTech प्लस PhD. और जो तीसरा कोर्स है ना MTech प्लस PhD, उसके लिए भी इंटरव्यू होता है. तो उसमें भी यही क्राइटेरिया है, 70% प्लस 30%. क्राइटेरिया ऑफ क्वालिफिकेशन इज, एलिजिबिलिटी इज कि यू शुड बी BTech, इवन योर सेकेंड क्लास ऑफ डिग्री परसेंटेज विल वर्क, बट गेट स्कोर कार्ड शुड बी गुड, and gate of any of these 3 years. अगर आपके 3 years के gate score card है, last year also you appeared, you should utilize the scorecard which gives you maximum score, not maximum rank, not maximum mark, maximum score. क्योंकि स्कोर ही इसीलिए स्कोर कार्ड बोला जाता है. पेपर टफ आ गया तो कम मार्क्स में भी अच्छा स्कोर हो सकता है. नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स कम बैठे तो अधिक मार्क्स में भी स्कोर कम हो सकता है. इसलिए स्कोर इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्कोर पर फोकस करना है आपको. लास्ट डेट टू अप्लाई in ISC Bangalore, please notice only 2-3 days are left.
This is critical.
This is important.
This is very critical.
22nd March.
Yes.
This is very important. इसको ध्यान में रखिए. This is extremely important. Right. अरोड़ा जी.
जी सर.
यहाँ पर ISC Bangalore में अगर किसी स्टूडेंट का यही सपना हो कि मुझे ISC ही जाना है तो उसके लिए भी यहाँ पर बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं.
He can look for the MTech by research.
Yeah, MTech by research.
Yes. Where gate score has a weightage of almost 70% and interview will have a weightage of 30%.
Right. तो प्रोग्राम्स एज आई टोल्ड कि एक तो आपका MTech है और एक MTech रिसर्च है.
Yes.
और एक हो गया
It's
ड्यूअल
MTech plus PhD.
MTech plus PhD. ये 5 years.
Yes. But here there is a flexibility. For the dual degree program, you must remember that there is a lot of flexibility as far as ISC is concerned. Suppose you decide to leave this dual degree course. If you have completed 1 year, you can walk out with a postgraduate diploma certificate. If you complete 2 years, you can possibly get the MTech degree. And then of course, if you last the entire term, then definitely you will have MTech plus PhD, which is a dual degree. Now this option is basically a part of the new education policy, which has already started being put into practice by some of the IITs. And IISc will also follow suit not very late. They'll probably start following it maybe a year from now at max. IIT Roorkee has already started doing it. So one of the students had mentioned it to me.
Right.
Yes.
Now, तो ये तो 3 तरह के कोर्स हैं. आप इसमें से जो चूज करना चाहते हैं वो कर लीजिए. कोर्सेस ऑफर्ड में एक तो मैकेनिकल और एक हो गया एरोस्पेस.
Yes.
दूसरा हो गया इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी कोर्सेस. ये डायरेक्ट एडमिशन वाले हैं जिसमें इंटरव्यू नहीं होता.
Yes.
और ये वो एडमिशंस हैं जिसमें 70% गेट 30% इंटरव्यू या फिर रिटन.
Yes. And here XC gate code is also acceptable.
बिल्कुल आ सकते हैं. यहाँ पर भी आ सकते हैं.
Yes.
So
Now this particular course, that is computational and data science, this is open to gate code of almost all disciplines.
This is open for all.
Yes.
Even climate science is open for all.
Yes.
Earth science is open for many.
Yeah.
Nano science also open for some
Correct.
of the branches.
Yeah.
Manufacturing, engineering. तो interdisciplinary courses हैं,
Yes.
open है. Then cut off. Arora ji.
These are, yes.
Yeah.
See, when we look at this particular sheet, it's important. Here in this sheet, you will notice that we don't have any round off numbers. The reason why these are not rounded off numbers is because these are the ranks of these are the gate scores of the last candidate who has been given admission. Here we have given 2 columns, max and min. The first candidate who got admission with a score of 873 and the last candidate to get admission in mechanical was with a gate score of
Opening,
733. Yes, it's like opening and closing. Likewise, in case of aerospace, it was 885.
Opening,
but of course,
highest
computational and data science attracts very high number of
some topper has
applications,
taken.
and therefore it's one of the toppers who has got
not
admission.
necessary कि ये
Not
mechanic-
necessarily
हाँ.
CS or ME. No,
हाँ,
not
कोई भी हो
necessarily.
सकता
It
है.
could be any branch because they are accepting the gate score of almost 10 branches.
One student is asking कि sir ISC Bangalore में product design अच्छा है या फिर IIT Bombay में?
Both are comparable. Both are comparable because I know of product design of IIT Bombay also. That course I know for sure is there since 1974. I mean, I remember some of my
योगेश ने पूछा है.
seniors who had done this course from IIT Bombay and they were working in IBM those days.
Right.
But it's a very, 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 very powerful course.
Correct. So, dear friends, you got certain idea here. Then you have earth science, क्योंकि ये interdisciplinary branches
ये
हैं, इसमें
interdisciplinary
interview
है.
है.
इसमें इंटरव्यू
इंटरव्यू की वजह से कट ऑफ कम जा रहा है।
करेक्ट।
मैकेनिकल और एरोस्पेस में इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी नहीं है,
दैट्स डायरेक्ट एडमिशन।
यहाँ पर इंटरव्यू है, इसलिए
Yes.
कट ऑफ थोड़ा कम जा रहा है।
बिल्कुल,
राइट। सो देयर इज अ वेटेज, सो दिस यू कैन हैव अ लुक एंड देन
नाउ वी लुक एट द
IITs।
प्रेफरेंस फॉर द IITs।
राइट। तो दोस्तों अब ये जो दो कॉलेजेस हैं, IISc एंड दीज, वन इज IISc, अदर इज IIT। अब ये आपकी चॉइस है। मैकेनिकल के लिए IISc भी अच्छा है, IIT बॉम्बे भी अच्छा है, बट इन जनरल अगर आप देखोगे ओवरऑल तो IISc बैंगलोर इज बेटर रैंक।
Common observation is that people who are more focused on a research oriented career option, they prefer to go to IISc Bangalore, and those who are more industry job related, they are preferring IIT Bombay in
Yeah.
case they get admission option in both the institutes.
Here the focus is on academics,
Yes.
research. Here the focus is on industry.
Yes, and IISc pass outs can almost be assured of getting research opportunity in US universities, in top US universities. That is another important aspect.
फर्दर स्टडीज मास्टर्स
sir.
या फिर मास्टर के बाद रिसर्च
Exactly.
करना है
Yes,
तो जा सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
प्रेफरेंस ऑफ कॉलेज एंड प्रेफरेंस ऑफ ब्रांच आल्सो डिपेंड्स वेदर यू हैव एनी फ्यूचर एम्स। कई बार ना यूपीएससी की तैयारी करनी है तो IISc मत जाना, वहां पढ़ नहीं पाओगे।
There it is very course
दे आर वेरी
oriented.
स्पेसिफिक
Yes,
एंड दे डू नॉट प्रोवाइड यू फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी टू स्टडी, एंड क्योंकि इतना वो वर्कलोड ही ज्यादा होता है वहां पर, प्रोजेक्ट
workload
वर्क
बहुत
ज्यादा
है,
होता
plus tests and other things are at
IIT Delhi
Odd
is
hours.
next, कानपुर, खड़गपुर, मद्रास, रुड़की, गुवाहाटी एंड वाराणसी। अब जैसे मद्रास और खड़गपुर है, एनी वन कैन इंटरचेंज डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर ऑन लोकेशन,
locational preference. Exactly.
सकते हैं।
Yes.
राइट। एंड देन IIT गांधीनगर, हैदराबाद कैन ऑल्सो बी इंटरचेंज। कंप्यूटर साइंस को मैं तो ऊपर कहूंगा, इसको ऊपर रखो, इसको नीचे रखो।
Yes. For
Right.
computer science, IIT Hyderabad definitely is more
IIT
preferred.
Hyderabad overall is in more demand
Yes.
because of location,
Locational
central
advantage.
location।
Yes.
देन धनबाद, रोपड़, इंदौर, भुवनेश्वर, जोधपुर, पटना, मांडी, पलक्कड़, ऐसे और भी है।
In addition, there are the newer IITs further. We have Palakkad, then
एंड
we
वन
have
थिंग हियर,
Dharwad.
इनके जो कट ऑफ्स हैं न्यू IITs के, कई बार त्रिची, वारंगल,
NITs, yes.
सूरतकल, राउरकेला, इलाहाबाद के जो NITs है उनसे ये कट ऑफ कम है।
They
और
are.
ये फैक्ट भी है कि मैकेनिकल के लिए जैसे त्रिची एंड वारंगल बहुत अच्छे हैं,
They are strong.
दे आर गुड।
They are very strong. Yes.
मैकेनिकल
And
के
with
लिए machine
better
design-
placement in comparison with the new IITs.
या दूसरा क्या है कि वहां पर बच्चों का फोकस ही प्लेसमेंट पर होता है।
Totally oriented.
Right. So these 5 or your 6 NITs are really good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are really good. They are at par with the new IITs. At par with the
Almost.
new IIT. Even
Yes.
better.
Even better in
some of the
sense,
cases.
in some respects. Yes.
अब यहाँ पर एक सवाल ये आता है कि मान लीजिए कि IIT मांडी में किसी को प्रोडक्शन मिल रहा है और NIT वारंगल में या त्रिची में या सूरजकल में किसी जगह उसको
design.
डिजाइन मिल रहा है या
He should
थर्मल मिल
prefer.
रहा है,
He should
तो आप
prefer
इधर
design.
चले जाओ।
He should prefer
So
this.
this permutation combination you have to apply,
Yes.
right? You cannot say कि हाँ absolutely वही बेटर है। हाँ, ब्रांच भी देखना है साथ में, कॉलेज के साथ साथ। देन लोकेशनल एडवांटेज इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट। अब जिसको यूपीएससी की तैयारी करनी है, नॉर्थ इंडिया में है, वो दिल्ली रहना चाहता है तो DTU ले लो,
He can even prefer DTU.
राइट।
Yes.
अदरवाइज DTU है, NIT भोपाल है, कुरुक्षेत्रा है, राउरकेला। राउरकेला इज ए गुड NIT. इट शुड हैव बीन।
Raurkela has very strong preference for doing their for the MTech courses, particularly for those who are wanting to opt for the 2-year training program of BARC.
This should go up.
This is the only institute which is recognized
this
in
is
that
Goa.
category. Yes, sir.
Raurkela. Right. So these are equally good, like Delhi, NIT Nagpur, Bhopal, Kurukshetra. Then also we don't have here the Jaipur.
Jaipur is not here.
Right.
Jaipur also can be.
So
Yes. Jaipur
NIT
is here, sir. Jaipur is
Jaipur.
here.
This
Jaipur
is also
here.
equally good.
Yes. Jaipur is good.
Good.
Yes.
Then there is also the
Triple ITs.
triple ITs.
Rather triple IT DMs.
हाँ.
These two, for example, and there are 2 more that have got added off
आजकल
late.
की डिमांड है अरोड़ा जी, अगर कंप्यूटर ओरिएंटेड जॉब चाहिए और IT फील्ड में जाना है, मैकेनिकल की कोर फील्ड में नहीं जाना है, तो आप इन कॉलेज
These are the institutes which can be
खास
considered.
करके
Yes.
ट्रिपल आईटी,
डीएम जबलपुर
DM
है,
जबलपुर and
कांचीपुरम and
कांचीपुरम,
तीन और हैं,
हाँ.
बट अभी उनका कट ऑफ डेटा नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई प्रॉब्ली
एंड देन ट्रिपल आईटी बैंगलोर,
दे आर
हैदराबाद,
मेनली फॉर आईटी सर,
दे आर फॉर आईटी,
दे आर फॉर आईटी रिलेटेड कोर्सेज,
IT related.
मैकेनिकल.
तो ये
But these two
इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी
are-
कोर्सेज
yes.
हैं यहाँ पर.
यस,
मैकेनिकल के साथ साथ कंप्यूटर वाले भी आएंगे,
बिल्कुल.
आईटी वाले भी
ग्वालियर
आएंगे.
में दे आल्सो हैव अ मैनेजमेंट रिलेटेड कोर्स,
Right.
ट्रिपल आईटीएम में.
Then we can talk about some colleges which are not IIT, NIT, but ठीक है.
Yes,
जैसे
they have a
जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी
Yes.
कोलकाता है, COEP पंजाब इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है, NSIT दिल्ली है जिसको दिल्ली में ही रहना है, धीरूभाई अंबानी, राइट, VIT बेलूर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, ये भी अच्छी कॉलेजेस माने
Yes.
जाते हैं, दे आर इक्वली गुड. देन JNTU हैदराबाद, थापर यूनिवर्सिटी पटियाला, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद, उस्मानिया, जामिया मिलिया. अब किसी को एमटेक करना ही है तो भाई यहीं रहना है, कर लो, मिल जाएगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
ऐसा तो एमटेक में एडमिशन अब मिलना टफ नहीं है. एंड एमटेक एडमिशंस प्रोवाइड यू द अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ द स्कॉलरशिप आल्सो.
Yes.
12,500 की स्कॉलरशिप भी मिलती है.
12,400, yep.
Now let us see the cutoff dates. How last date to apply. As of now, only ISC and IIT Delhi has declared.
Yes.
Yet to be declared. Opening होना है अभी.
Application process has started for some more IITs, but the
Last
last date
date
of
is
cutoff,
not.
which is
This is
fast
the last
approaching,
date.
is only for these two.
This is last date.
Yes.
Right. So 22nd March is very close. 4th April is still थोड़ा टाइम है.
हाँ, but 22nd March is critical. That's why it's important to highlight
Right.
this.
Then IIT cutoffs. IIT के जो मेन है इनके कट
इनके,
देख लेते हैं
yes.
मैकेनिकल के. एक तो आपका बीटेक परसेंटेज 60 चाहिए इफ यू आर ए जनरल ओबीसी EWS.
The only exception is
Yeah.
IIT Madras and Kanpur.
हाँ, IIT मद्रास और IIT कानपुर में सेकंड क्लास भी एक्सेप्ट हो जाता
Acceptable.
है. स्कॉलरशिप प्रोविजन एंड देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ द कोर्सेज ऑफ एमटेक, STTA, STRA.
Yes.
टीचिंग असिस्टेंटशिप, रिसर्च असिस्टेंटशिप.
Yes.
कि एमटेक करते हुए आप अपने
You have to
इस
devote some
स्कॉलरशिप
time.
को
Justify
जस्टिफाई
कर-
करने के लिए
Yes.
या तो कुछ आपको अंडर ग्रेजुएट कोर्सेज पढ़ाने पड़ेंगे या प्रोफेसर के साथ रिसर्च में इन्वॉल्व होना
It's
पड़ेगा.
about, it involves around 8 hours of teaching assignment per week,
या
roughly.
तो बीटेक वालों को पढ़ाते हैं.
बीटेक वालों को पढ़ाते हैं, लैब वर्क में असिस्ट करते हैं प्रोफेसर्स को,
राइट
that way.
राइट.
And these
आउट
are
ऑफ
the
दैट
sponsored
टीचिंग वाला
projects.
ज्यादा थोड़ा लोग प्रेफर करते हैं.
Yes, बिल्कुल.
नाउ वी सी द कट ऑफ द IIT दिल्ली. दिस इज IIT दिल्ली.
दिल्ली.
लास्ट ईयर कट ऑफ 2023 की कट ऑफ है.
23 cutoffs.
तो द हाईएस्ट कट ऑफ गोज फॉर द मशीन डिजाइन.
Design.
राइट. देन इट वाज फॉर द
Thermal.
thermal
Second is
engineering.
thermal.
Second is
Yeah,
for the
668.
thermal engineering.
Yes, sir.
Right. And third is for the industrial engineering.
Third is industrial engineering.
So वही है, पहले डिजाइन, फिर थर्मल, फिर प्रोडक्शन, फिर इंडस्ट्रियल. तो यहाँ पर इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन में थोड़ा अप एंड डाउन, तो कॉलेज टू कॉलेज
Yes.
हो जाता है.
Industrial engineering के लिए there are 3 top IITs. One is of course Bombay, that's number 1.
Delhi.
Second would be Delhi, and third is Kanpur.
Right.
The placements from the industrial engineering and management department in Kanpur, they are really high. They're really high, and again a very old department. IIT
आप
Delhi
दोस्तों
is
थोड़ा
also
नजर
very
डालिए
old.
यहाँ पर
Yeah.
कि EWS पे देखो आप 500, 487. कहाँ टफ है एडमिशन लेना. अभी एक बच्चा पूछ रहा था मेरा होगा कि नहीं होगा.
OBC.
ओबीसी में देखो एडमिशन अगर आपको चाहिए तो मिल जाएगा.
Easy.
बिल्कुल चिंता का विषय नहीं है.
Yes.
राइट, डोंट वरी एट ऑल. फिर ये है कट ऑफ ऑफ द मुंबई.
मुंबई.
थोड़ा यहाँ पे ज्यादा जा रही है कट ऑफ, क्योंकि वहाँ
Design is
500 था, यहाँ
786.
600 प्लस है.
Correct.
यहाँ देखो 650, 683, 618. मुंबई इज डेफिनेटली प्रेफर्ड ओवर दिस.
Right.
और यहाँ पर डिजाइन हाईएस्ट है.
Yes. Design तो was the highest even in Delhi.
राइट. डिजाइन फॉलोड बाय द थर्मल
Thermal.
एंड फॉलोड बाय द
Then
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. यहाँ
manufacturing-
थर्मल फ्लूइड के साथ है. IIT
Yes.
कानपुर में भी थर्मल इज विद
Fluids. Even in Kharagpur probably also.
Yeah, right. So category wise you can see if your category is OBC or your category is SC or ST, you can see that.
Yes.
Right. अरोरा जी थोड़ा सा कट ऑफ इनको देखने में
Right.
आसानी हो
Yes.
जाएगी.
Yes.
Right. Then dear friends, IIT Madras mechanical,
Design.
metallurgy and mathematics. Right. Thermal engineering, mechanical department में है thermal, मशीन डिजाइन, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। मेटलर्जी डिपार्टमेंट में है मेटलर्जी, और मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट में है इंडस्ट्रियल मैथमेटिक्स।
इट्स ओपन टू नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस।
हाँ, ये ब्रांच हो गए डिपार्टमेंट के साथ, बट मेन इज दीज थ्री। एंड फॉर मैकेनिकल कट ऑफ थर्मल इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, यू कैन सी सबसे ऊपर जा रहा है।
No, so design is number one.
Design,
Always. Yes.
then
Then
thermal,
thermal.
and then
Manufacturing.
manufacturing.
Yes.
So you got this idea, right? You got this idea. Metallurgy is interdisciplinary, क्योंकि यहाँ पर और भी
Multiple
branch आ रहे
branches.
हैं, ये भी और ब्रांचेस भी आ रहे हैं। इंडस्ट्रियल मैथमेटिक्स इज इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी, फिर ये दोनों इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी हैं, ये कोर ब्रांचेस है मैकेनिकल की। मैकेनिकल
This is for interview, test and interview.
या दिस इज कानपुर वाले
Yes.
तो इंटरव्यू कॉल के लिए बुला लेते हैं
बिल्कुल।
सबको, 400
बहुत लोगों
400
को
बुला लिया,
बुलाते हैं ये तो।
इधर 540 बुला लिया, उसके बाद आप इंटरव्यू दीजिए, राइट? सो इंटरव्यू इज द पैरामीटर हियर। 80-20 हो जाएगा, 70 to 80% गेट, and this is Kharagpur. In Kharagpur, mechanical department talks about manufacturing, thermal and fluid, and
Design.
mechanical design. So here again,
Highest.
design,
Design.
then thermal, then
Then
manufacturing. Right.
This sequence is almost the same in every institute.
Every
Yes.
institute. Further, let us talk about Guwahati. They have only mechanical
Common.
department.
Yes. They have only one mechanical
Opening.
department, and you can
This is
specialize
the
based on your project.
Closing
work.
of general, closing of OBC, closing of SC, closing of ST. This IIT Guwahati.
Yes. Sir.
Then IIT Varanasi. This is BHU. IIT BHU. Mechanical, machine design 569. Right. Thermal and fluid 562. Production 500. बहुत कम में आ गए, 500 में मिल रहा है आपको
Yes.
IIT।
Surprisingly, for EWS, it was high production.
कभी कभी हो जाता है।
Yes.
Sir, which IIT interview happens for design? For in which IIT interview happens for design?
Lot of IITs.
ज्यादातर IITs
कानपुर में
interview
होगा,
conduct करते हैं।
कानपुर में है।
Flights of IIT cutoff are these gate scores or rank? These
They
are gate
scores.
score.
They are gate scores.
आप जनरल का रैंक EWS से कम तो नहीं हो सकता ना, तो ये स्कोर है,
These are scores.
राइट? दीज आर कट ऑफ
Cut-off
scores.
scores.
All are score.
Unless specifically mentioned.
जब रैंक इसमें नहीं मांगते, आप SC की रैंक थोड़ी जनरल से कट ऑफ होगी, थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस के साथ भी जा सकते हैं। IIT हैदराबाद कट ऑफ, राइट? इंटीग्रेटेड डिजाइन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में ये देखिए 520, 566, 511, सो वी कैन गो लाइक दिस। तो एक मोटा मोटा आइडिया ये है कि अगर आपको ओल्ड IIT चाहिए तो आपका 600 प्लस 650 प्लस में काम हो जाएगा।
Yes.
अगर आपको न्यू IIT चाहिए तो 500 प्लस
Then 500 range will be sufficient.
General.
अभी तो we still have to see number of new IITs.
OBC में तो
Yes.
और भी कम आ रहा है, देखो 385 तक
Yes.
आ गया है यहाँ पर, राइट? एंड दिस इज IIT गांधीनगर। गांधीनगर में तो जनरल 487 प्लस में एडमिशन हो रहा है। I still remember, बैठिए अरोड़ा जी, I still remember my old discussions of the post-gate counseling that was the period of 2015-16.
One second.
उस समय मैकेनिकल में IIT का कट ऑफ जाया करता था 850, 900 गेट स्कोर, 800
अभी
IIT कट ऑफ, अब जा रहा है 500, अब जा रहा 500, 400.
yes.
So there has been a change. राइट। अब और इसके आगे चलते हैं। सो वी कैन टॉक अबाउट द IIT गांधीनगर। हो गया?
Yes.
ये आइडिया तो लग ही गया हमें,
बिल्कुल।
राइट? अब आगे चलते हैं कि IIT पटना
Patna is
350 आ
so
गया,
low.
400 आ गया।
Yes.
मेकाट्रॉनिक्स भी ब्रांच
That's the only one which is going high.
या मेकाट्रॉनिक्स इज ए ब्रांच। आप देखिए यहाँ पर 165 जा रहा मैकेनिकल डिजाइन में, कैसे
बहुत लो है, बहुत लो है।
EWS
Yes.
317, 350,
भुवनेश्वर
360,
below
भुवनेश्वर।
400, below 400.
तो दोस्तों एमटेक करना है तो बिल्कुल चिंता की बात नहीं है, आराम से कर सकते हैं। आपके पास ये डेटा आ जाएगा, PDF विल बी अवेलेबल। पुराने PDF को देख करके उससे भी अगर 19-20 कम ज्यादा है तो भी अप्लाई कर देना, राइट? हर साल फ्लक्चुएट होती है और नीचे आ जाती है कट ऑफ, राइट? तो थोड़ा आगे चल जाएं। IIT रोपड़ वगैरह, like we can
इनको
skip
skip कर
this
सकते हैं.
because
We
these
can,
are
I
just
think, run
data and
through.
data will be available.
They are
to
being
you.
made, it's being made available to you.
Right.
Yes.
या तो अब हम चल देते हैं आगे. These are IIT धारवाड़, IIT की कट ऑफ सारे IIT है. So don't worry friends, this you will get, and this is now we can talk about the
CCMT. See, for CCMT, we are not going to show you too many slides. We'll just show you the
CCMT
important
बहुत
ones.
data है.
बहुत ज़्यादा data है.
maybe around 60-70 slides.
See, if any of you has gone to the CCMT 2023 website, you will notice that there are 7,800 rows in which the entire data has been given only for 2023. And you can easily do a filtration and try to find out which NIT, which course you can get at your GATE score, right? Now, in case of CCMT, what is important to know is that the first step is the registration, and registration for that will be opening in the first week of June based on the last year's
Right.
yes, right. CCMT caters to the admission process for 31 NITs and
31
a number of other reputed institutes, right?
IIT
including the
DM,
IIT DMs,
IIT
IEST,
Allahabad,
Shibpur.
Vadodara, Lucknow, IIT Bhubaneswar, IEST,
Yes.
SIPR, PAC, SLIDE, NEFT. तो ये combined है,
Whole
इसमें
lot of
around
them.
more than
Almost
45,
60 is the total number of institutes which are offering admission based on the CCMT central counseling, right? CC stands for central counseling only, don't worry. That's what it really means.
Right.
Okay. The cutoff requirement of BTech score.
60%.
This is important. It's 60%.
This is for the general
This
and
is general.
General,
EWS and OBC.
SC ST के लिए 55%.
55. Yes.
देखो,
And
यहाँ पर बता देते हैं इनको कि अगर आपका बीटेक परसेंटेज 60 से कम है और आप जनरल या EWS में हो या OBC में हो तो और आपका गेट स्कोर बहुत अच्छा है तो सबसे अच्छा ऑप्शन आपके पास IISc बेंगलोर है, सेकंड ऑप्शन IIT मद्रास है, थर्ड ऑप्शन IIT कानपुर है. ये तीन अच्छे ऑप्शन है. या सो नाउ हियर यू हैव टू जस्ट चेक कि यू मस्ट हैव द गेट स्कोर ऑफ 2020, 22 or 23 or
24. Last 3 years.
Last 3 years.
Yes.
Yeah.
And without a valid GATE scorecard, you cannot get admission through CCMT, which means you must have qualified.
Right.
That is what is the definition of valid GATE scorecard.
Right. Secondly, there will be different rounds.
Yes.
CCMT में.
6 total rounds, starting with 3 main rounds, 2
Kai-
special rounds, and a
Some
spot
of you
round.
may not be aware CCMT means what. Actually, जब NITs के लिए सिलेक्शन होगा तो इसमें इंटरव्यू नहीं होगा. इसमें सिर्फ कट ऑफ के अकॉर्डिंग आपको एडमिशन मिलेगा, गेट के अकॉर्डिंग, और मल्टीपल राउंड्स उसके होंगे. ऑनलाइन प्रोसेस है पूरा,
Fully online.
फुल्ली ऑनलाइन.
Yes.
सो देयर इज नो इंटरव्यू हियर.
But this is mandatory.
या रजिस्ट्रेशन
Online registration is mandatory.
Mandatory.
अगर आपने नहीं किया, yes, there is a way out now. I mean, from last year onwards, they introduced that even if you did not do the registration in the first round, you can do a registration before the start of the special rounds. So this is something which has come as a big relief to a lot of candidates. Like they were not keen on opting for CCMT, but suddenly they realized that they are not getting other options, so they are able to do the registration before the start of the special rounds, right? After every round, you get the option which is the top of your choice, top of your heap, and which is being offered to you. Number of choices, there is no limit. You can opt for 200 choices. But important is the right combination of institute and branch. And it is not a good idea to opt for design engineering in all the NITs, followed by maybe thermal engineering in all the NITs. No, that will not be a good idea. Always go for a judicious mix of NIT plus branch, right? Of course, there is time for that, because before the submission, before the last date for submission of your choices, before the last date of freezing of your choices, we will conduct individual branch-wise sessions where we can threadbare analyze what your preferred choices are and make constructive suggestions related to that.
Dear
right?
friends, keep in mind one thing. Filling of the form means participating in CCMT is very critical.
Yes.
Selection of the college its preference and selection of the branch. Parallelly, both you have to very carefully fill. Therefore, it will be better if you make initially homework and choose only those streams where you are really interested. In any stream means branch, if you don't want to take admission, ignore and
Just
don't
delete
fill.
that. Just don't
Similarly,
even fill it in the top choices.
if you know, I will not be able to go NIT Hamirpur, I don't want to go NIT Silchar, don't fill
Don't
at
even
all.
fill up.
So
Exactly.
fill only those
Yes.
which are
See,
priority. So that
I
you will
use a term, use your
compress.
wish list. Make your wish list and fill according to that wish list, which means NIT Trichy, I want to go for design, followed by NIT Warangal, I want to go for design, followed by NIT X, Y, Z, and then NIT Trichy Thermal. Not that I want to go for design in all the NITs. So this is a caution that you have to be observing.
Right. So I hope you got the idea.
Yes.
And then keep in mind that there is no limitation of filling the choice. You can
Exactly.
keep, it is up to you. और राउंड 1, 2, 3 में तो चॉइस चेंज नहीं कर सकते, बट देयर आर
special rounds we
स्पेशल
can.
राउंड में आप
Special
चेंज
rounds
कर
we have
सकते हैं
to,
चॉइस.
we can change. Yes.
Right. Now coming further, 2023
These are the dates for
important
last
dates.
year.
Yeah, for this is 2023.
Yes. These are
Please note that
indicative
this is
dates.
for reference.
Yes. These
ये
are
इस साल का
reference.
नहीं है, लास्ट ईयर का है. दिस इज लास्ट ईयर, क्योंकि अभी तो इस बार के लिए अनाउंसमेंट होना बाकी है.
Most probably the registration
June.
will start from 5th June only this year.
Yeah,
There is
so
a possibility.
June and July is the
Yes.
peak time for this.
Yes.
Right. By August, the allotment will be done. By the August, the allotment will be done. Right. Keep in mind. And then just for reference, we are showing one is Trichy, Warangal, Surathkal. These 4, 5 main. And Arora ji, यहाँ पर देखें अगर आप कि let us say this is Trichy. And
There
in
is no
Trichy,
design in this.
हाँ, design is not there, but even
But thermal is number one.
thermal opening at 691 है ये.
And
this
it is higher
first
than the
round.
new NITs.
This is
It's
first
higher
round.
than the new
No,
IITs.
This is actually the first round
Yes.
cutoff,
691 is first
and
round.
this is last round cutoff, third round cutoff.
Third round cutoff. Not the special rounds, but third round.
Here max says first round cutoff,
Yes.
and min is third round cutoff.
Yes.
Right, that you have to consider. This cutoff is even higher than the IIT.
Number
Right.
of new IITs,
But
it is
that
higher
is
than
only
that.
in thermal.
Yes.
But when it comes to welding or other branches, it is coming down. This is general. This is EWS, OBC, SC, and definitely
ST.
SC.
Yes.
Not an issue. Right. फिर अगर आप देख लें वारंगल, त्रिची वारंगल,
Design at
Design-
tops with 668.
IIT के एट पार है.
बिल्कुल.
Right.
592 for thermal.
First round. So this is the important. This is the important.
This
is the
number
third
is
round
important.
cutoff.
This number is
This is
important.
not actually. This is cutoff in first round. Some people changed.
Yes.
Second round, third.
This
round.
is third round, but after that also there is a possibility
Spot
of a
round.
drop because of the special rounds.
Special rounds.
Yes. Yes.
Right. And then we talk about the Calicut. थोड़ा सा कम आया.
Design
Right. Design
At
has
the
come
top.
down to less than 600.
less than 600.
Yeah,
has
here
come
it is 484.
down. Yes.
Trichy, Warangal, these are the two premium institutes for the mechanical engineering.
Trichy, Warangal, Surathkal.
Yeah.
Yes.
And here you can say Calicut.
634.
Surathkal.
Calicut is 634.
This is Surathkal.
Yes. Yes.
This is Surathkal.
Yeah.
And then this
Allahabad.
is NIT Allahabad. It has come down below
Yes.
500 or maybe 5. This is and so अब यहाँ की बात तो CCMT में आप
lot of
options
opportunity.
है.
Lot of opportunity is
this
there.
is
This is
Rourkela.
This is Rourkela.
Rourkela.
Yes.
Rourkela, Calicut, Trichy, Warangal, Surathkal. They are
They are in the
premium.
top 6.
Premium
Yes,
institutes.
they are in the top 6. Exactly.
Right.
Yes. So we can quickly talk about COAP before we close, because
Yeah.
that is another important milestone for you. COAP registration is a must. COAP is common offer. सब पिछले slide
Yeah.
दिखाएंगे, इनको दिखाएंगे. Common offer acceptance portal. That means suppose you have applied to 10 IITs for maybe 20 odd courses. After every round of declaration of result by the IITs, that information will reflect against your registered ID in the COAP portal. COAP portal does not mean that you don't have to apply to IITs. No, you have to apply to individual IITs. It is only giving you these are the offers that you are getting. उनमें से आपको एक चूज करना है. You have to select or reject. You have to accept or you have to retain and wait, or you have to freeze, or you have to reject. These are the three possible options available to you, and they must be exercised. If you don't exercise, then it will be treated as reject, and you will not be considered for that option. So you have to be
तो
careful.
COAP भरना जरूरी है.
भरना जरूरी है.
हाँ, और उसके
भरना
बाद
जरूरी
आपको
है.
हर IIT के लिए
Yes.
अलग से
Exactly.
करना पड़ेगा.
Exactly.
हाँ, then here this is the IIT Kanpur coordinating.
It
Yeah.
is not an application portal.
COAP is not an application portal,
Yes.
right? Candidates should apply separately to the respective institutes. ध्यान रखिए, आप कहीं सोचे COAP में भर गया मेरा अप्लाई हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है. Each participating institute will follow the selection procedure as per the norms and guidelines of the respective. हर IIT का अपना selection procedure अलग हो सकता है, right?
Yes.
Then,
Last line is very important.
हाँ, and to access the make decision, most of the preferred choices, right? Candidates should have a valid GATE score of 2024 or 23 or 2022, whichever is higher.
And
you
the
can apply.
definition is qualified.
Qualified is important.
Yes.
क्या है? वो तो तभी भर पाओगे आप.
तभी भर पाओगे.
नहीं तो फिर
बिल्कुल. Otherwise your application will not be accepted.
NCOAP.
Yes.
Then the selections, it says the round one.
Round one
will start from.
will
May.
start
अभी
from
तो,
today.
अभी this is not
this is the-
starting of the.
No, this is not the registration. This is the round one results. Yes. Round one for COAP outputs, you can see.
हाँ. Candidate can select a maximum of one offer out of available offers in each round.
Yes.
इसको जरा explain करिए.
Suppose you got offer for 4 IITs. Let's say you got offer for let's say manufacturing in IIT Bombay, design in IIT Delhi, design in Kharagpur, and design in Kanpur. You have to accept one out of these 4.
और जैसे ही
You
आपने
can't
एक
accept
accept
all.
कर लिया,
बाकी सारी गई.
बाकी आपके फिर नहीं.
You are not
available है.
eligible
इसलिए
for the
करा भी
rest
गया,
of the.
ठीक भी है.
Yes, बिल्कुल. Otherwise, earlier the students used to accept multiple offers.
हाँ, बाद में
and
छोड़ना है.
and बाद में surrender करते जाते थे, and as a result lot of students were deprived of the allocation. So for the last 5 years, in fact starting from 2017 they have started doing it, and it's a really good step that has been
It means
taken.
कि जैसे ही आपका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन आया तो या तो आप उसको एक्सेप्ट
Accept
करके
and
फ्रीज
freeze
कर
कर
दो
सकते हैं.
और या फिर रिटेन एंड वेट
Wait,
करो कि
yes.
अभी आपको
Next round
जो
में अगर
आपको
better
मिला है
option
वो
मिलता
आपकी
है.
चॉइस का नहीं है तो
हाँ.
अभी नहीं लेते, अभी हम थोड़ा वेट करते हैं, अगले राउंड में हमें चॉइस जो मिलेगी उसमें देखते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो सेकंड हो गया रिटेन एंड वेट.
Yes. And then, but you can do a retain and wait on the same offer. Now, offer means combination of institute and course. That can be done only twice during these 3 rounds.
राइट, रिटेन एंड वेट. फिर ऑप्शन 3 है रिजेक्ट एंड
Wait.
वेट.
Yes.
एक तो ये है कि रिटेन एंड वेट और दूसरा है रिजेक्ट एंड
Reject and wait. That
कि
means
आपने
this is
मुझे
out.
ये नहीं चाहिए,
नहीं चाहिए.
मैं वेट करता हूँ.
बाकी जो मेरे को मोर प्रेफर्ड ऑप्शन अगर मिलती हैं
तब
मैं उनको एक्सेप्ट करूंगा.
ठीक.
Yes.
And then we can
Then
move
in the
to
decisive round there are only 2 options. One is accept and freeze or reject. उसमें फिर retain and wait option will not be possible for the
Right.
decisive rounds.
So we have discussed about the COAP also और PSU. अब ना NIT के बाकी के कट ऑफ है, लेकिन ये बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है.
It will be
And,
made
this-
available.
this we
This
will
data
make you
is being given to you.
available.
Yes.
इसमें खाली नंबर्स हैं. ये इतनी लंबी लिस्ट है and this list may account to more than 50-60 slides. Now just for an idea कि मैकेनिकल में और PI में, मैकेनिकल में रैंक 1 कैंडिडेट was enrolled in our Merji postal and test series. Second rank candidate was enrolled in the classroom course and online course and test series. Third candidate rank number 4 was enrolled in test series. Fifth rank 5th was enrolled in online course and test series. Rank 6 was in test series. 7th and 9th was enrolled in online course and test series. Then in production branch, rank 1 was enrolled in online course and test series. Rank 2 was in the online course test series. 3 was in classroom course test series. 5 in test series. 6th in classroom course. 7th and then 10th in classroom course. So these are the just for an idea. Yeah. Now we can also talk about these are the other branch students. Civil first ranker classroom course, mechanical first ranker postal, first ranker electrical test series, IN, then EC first ranker online course, then environmental science first ranker classroom course, online course and so on. Now we can answer the students doubts if there are left. बहुत सारे डाउट्स होंगे, देखिए एंडलेस डाउट होते हैं, बट
सर काफी डाउट्स एड्रेस कर दिए हमने. NITI is not taking admissions based on the GATE score.
NITI is now converted
only
into IIM.
CAT based. Yes, it is IIM Bombay now, so they are taking only based on CAT score.
Sir, do this NITs consider GATE engineering science score?
You have
Yes.
to look at, yes, but
Yes,
you
there
have
are
to look
options.
at individual NITs.
Yeah, so because engineering science there are options,
Yes.
that is especially available, don't worry. Rishabh says,
Aryesh, you can apply without the GATE scorecard being available because you have to furnish your GATE roll number and they directly will access the GATE score and marks and rank from there.
Ashutosh, I am 29-year-old, got 849 rank, 669 score mechanical, EWS. Please focus in MTech because your age and general category.
There is no age criteria as such.
EWS is same as PSU. He is asking for PSU.
PSU at 29 years, I think the opportunity is there only for ONGC and that too for 1 or 2 specialization.
इसलिए आपको MTech पे एडमिशन
The rest of the PSUs are having a age limit as 28 years only. The only other exception which is not based on GATE score is possibly ISRO, which used to be 35 years, but even they have revised it to 28 years now.
NIT Trichy, Cobin GV versus IIT Madras Thermal, which is the best for the placement?
IIT Madras.
IIT Madras. If you are
IIT Madras
getting
Thermal.
old IIT and you are getting NIT, then better to go in old IIT if you are getting the same branch, because IIT tag will help you
Any
throughout
day.
the
Any
life,
day, sir.
whole life.
Yes.
Then IIST Tiruvananthapuram. What do you want to ask in this question is not clear. You have just mentioned your college name. NIT Trichy Thermal versus IIT Madras Thermal. You got it?
IIT Madras. Yes.
Right. How to apply in IISc and IIT?
Go to their website.
Yeah, if
visit
you have
their admission
qualified
portal.
GATE, if you have the
Yes.
valid GATE score in the cutoff,
Yes.
then you can apply.
Visit their website and apply immediately because the last date for application for IISc is 22nd of March, which is just 72 hours away.
Yeah.
And GATE scorecard is not required to be attached. Please remember. So don't wait for GATE scorecard will be possible to be downloaded after the from 23rd onwards.
Mohammad Hassan Ansari is asking, my rank is 359 mechanical and OBC category. Will I get IOCL chance?
Call yes.
Chance है.
Call
OBC
yes.
में chance
Yes.
है.
OBC
Yeah.
में call
There
का
is,
chance
there is.
है.
If you do well in
Definitely,
interview,
yes.
you can get it. Then, Fair, please tell, does IIT take through PI scorecard also? Yes, dear friends.
Yes.
There are many courses available in IITs through the PI. PI gives you the almost equal opportunities, and PI also gives opportunity in ONGC. ONGC में बल्कि PI का कट ऑफ कम जाता है. And IIT में भी बहुत सारे courses available हैं. You are eligible. Please refer. Yes. IIT Bombay and ISC Aerospace, good for mechanical students. Yeah, it is all depending on your interest. Aerospace engineering is widely preferred by mechanical students. अगर आपका interest है, you can go, and ISC Bangalore, IIT Bombay both, and IIT Madras, all three are good. Sir, 2039 rank, unreserved. 2039. Better to focus on MTech because at this score, PSU will not be possible. 2039. IIT Bombay interview will take place when? IUR.
After the 15th of May.
Yeah.
Tentative date is after 15th of May.
Yeah. And IIT interviews are supposed to be mostly technical. Prepare your technical and do not show your interest in the government service and the UPSC. When you go for the IITs for interview, please do not reflect your interview for the UPSC or do not reflect your interest in UPSC and other government service. राइट, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ONGC एंड IOCL के बाद कौन सा बेटर PSU होगा सैलरी के लिए?
किसके लिए सर?
ONGC और IOCL के बाद
NHPC,
सैलरी वाइज.
NHPC,
बार्क भी ठीक
Yes.
है.
Bark and
DRDO
DRDO,
अच्छा है.
BRC,
तो बहुत ही
DRDO,
अच्छा
yes, both are
Mechanical
class one
वालों को
gazetted
DRDO
officers.
मिल जाए तो
Yes,
DRDO ले
both are
लेना
group A
चाहिए.
posts.
बट
Yes.
आए तो
Yes.
I think we are done with most of the things. Most
Sir,
of
I'll
the
just write my email ID in
Yeah.
case there are
आप
any
इसी में लिख
queries. मैं
दीजिए
इसी
so
पे लिख
that
दूंगा. Yes.
yeah. नहीं अब उठाइए आप बताइए मैं लिख दूँ. Just
I am not used. Public. DK Arora at madeasy.in. See, in case you have any specific queries, you can write to me at dkarora at madeasy.in, clearly giving your name, gate, roll number, your score, marks, and rank with specific query which you want to get addressed. I normally respond back within 24 hours.
spelling.
Yes, DKARORA @madeeasy, MADEEASY.in. I have also written in the chat box also. So please make a note. In case there are any queries, you can write to me, and I won't keep you waiting for more than 24 hours.
Right. So if you have further queries, you can send your mail. As we told, कि once this process is over, we will start interview guidance program for the public sectors, where we will train you for the group discussion, group task, and for the personal interviews. And if you will be required, then we will be also giving you the recorded technical sessions for the interview for mechanical engineering.
Yes, sir.
So thank you very much. I hope this session will help you. And don't worry about this cutoff and data.
It will be
PDF.
provided.
That will be
Yes.
uploaded within next 2-3 days in this portal. Thank you so much. All the best.
All the best. Thank you.